Namaste, I Isha, Cultural Secretary of the school, welcome you all in the morning assembly of St. Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinjore. Today is 8 October 2021. First of all, I would like to invite our Sanskrit teacher Acharya Sunil Dutt Gautam to share today's Panchang with us. Namaste, sir.
नमस्ते। आज के पंचांग के अनुसार विक्रमी संवत 2078, शक संवत 1943 आज आश्विन माह के शुक्ल पक्ष की द्वितीय तिथि है, अर्थात आज द्वितीय नवरात्रि है एवं द्वितीय नवरात्रि को माँ ब्रह्मचारिणी की पूजा की जाती है। आज का नक्षत्र स्वाति, आज का योग विषकुंभक है। प्रविष्टे की यदि बात करें तो आज आश्विन माह के 23 प्रविष्टे घटित हो रहे हैं एवं आज से ही मुस्लिम माह रबी उल अव्वल आरंभ हो रहा है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Now it's time to start the prayer. I request all of you to join your hands and close your eyes for the prayer.
All classes be ready for Gayatri Mantra. All classes be ready for prayer.
जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज। जय वीरेश्वर जय शिव शंकर जय 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 महाराज। जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज। मोहतिमिरहर प्रखर दिवाकर उदित जगत हितकार। मोहतिमिरहर प्रखर दिवाकर उदित जगत हितकार। तमनाशत जड़ चित्त जगवत चेतन सकल समाज। तमनाशत जड़ चित्त जगवत चेतन सकल समाज। मूर्त विवेक विराग ज्ञान बल। 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 त्रिभुवन के सरताज। मूर्त विवेक विराग ज्ञान बल। त्रिभुवन के सरताज। सकल विद्या भ्रांति हरो प्रभु। सकल विद्या भ्रांति हरो प्रभु। चित में करो विराज। जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज। जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज।
अस्तो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। Be ready for national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की जय। वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम।
Now I would like to invite Priyansh of class 6th A to aware us about Indian Air Force Day. Namaste Priyansh.
Namaste. Respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents and my dear friends. I am Priyansh, a student of St. Vivekanand Millennium School of class 6. Today on 8th October 2021, the whole nation is celebrating the 89th anniversary of the rise of the Indian Air Force and saluting the Air Warriors. I am proud to tell that with a strength of approximately 1,70,000 personnel and 1,700 plus aircraft, the Indian Air Force comprises one of the world's largest air forces. The motto of Indian Air Force is Nabha Sparsh Deeptam. This sentence is taken from the 11th chapter of the Gita. Today, the President of India holds the rank of Supreme Commander of the IAF. The current Chief of the Air Force is Air Chief Marshal Vivek Ram Chaudhary, who took office on 30th September 2021. To commemorate the occasion, the parades are conducted at all the respective bases of Indian Air Force. The day marks special tributes to the brave hearts of Indian Air Force who lost their lives during various operations executed by Indian Air Force. This day is also marked with an investiture ceremony for the achievers held at Air Force Station Hindan, Ghaziabad. The celebration follows traditional parades and colorful air canopies, breathtaking formation aerobatics display by skilled, competent pilots enthrall the audience with their proficient skills. In recent years, the IAF has undertaken an ambitious expansion and modernization program in a major boost for the Indian Air Force firepower. At least 10 new Rafale fighter aircraft joined last year in its fighter fleet. The IAF is also in the process of acquiring radars in various categories to meet the air defense requirements, accurate and advanced weapon, network, centric warfare system, etc. To meet its assigned tasks, Indian Air Force always remain available at the time the nation needs them, be it natural calamity or any man-made crisis. On this day, as a proud Indian, let's pay a rich tribute to the untiring efforts and supreme sacrifice made by veterans who laid a strong foundation for the service. Jai Hind!
Thank you, Priyansh. Now I would like to invite Shrishti of class plus 2 commerce to narrate a motivational story. Namaste Shrishti.
Namaste, respected principal sir, vice principal ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear fellow friends. I, Srishti Sindhu of class plus 2 commerce. Today I am here to present a story, Hymn Before Meal. So let's start. A software of Sankirtan used to be going on in an ashram in Vrindavan. Hari Baba used to be dancing with pleasure in the midst of the sound of Haribol Haribol with the aid of ringing the bell. Disinterested Saint Uriya Baba himself used to be playing the Sankirtan of the title of Bhagwat. Suddenly 4 or 5 humans reached there. On seeing them, Uriya Baba understood that these human beings had been unwell and hungry. They might also no longer have acquired meals for many days. Seeing his pathetic condition, tears started outpouring out of Baba's eyes. He abruptly received from the Sankirtan and went to the ashram with these hungry and in poor health negative human beings and stated to a servant, "Make them all sit down in the room and feed them." He himself served them meals with his very own arms and fed them full of love. Baba indicated to a physician and additionally acquired him medication and made preparation for garments for him. Hari Baba was once bewildered as to why Uriya Baba had left the Sankirtan in the center for the first time. They discovered it very surprising. They approached him and asked, "Baba, why did you do this?" Uriya Baba stated to him, Bhajan and Sankirtan etc. are significant solely when none of the humans current are hungry and thirsty. These human beings had been hungry and I have made them at ease via feeding them. Uriya Baba acquired up and once more reached the region of Sankirtan and started out playing the Sankirtan. So, moral of the story is human welfare is the biggest service and we should help everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Shrishti. Now I would like to invite Kavya Sharma of class 8B to share a new word with us. Namaste, Kavya.
Namaste, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. I am Kavya Sharma of class 8B from St. Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinjore. Today's word is rhetoric. Its meaning is the art of effective speaking, which is often considered as insincere. Its synonyms are verbosity, oral skills, oratory. Its antonyms are quiet, silence, shyness. Its example sentence is Indian politicians are known for their rhetoric. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Kavya. Now it's time to wish our birthday students. Today is the birthday of Ritisha Das of 4th A and Dipanshu of 5th B. Let's wish them by singing a birthday song. So I request you all to sing with us and bless the students.
सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना, तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना। तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की, तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Our principal sir, vice principal ma'am, teachers and parents all are giving their blessings to you. Once again, I wish you a very happy birthday. For more information regarding the school, don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. That's it in today's assembly. Take care of yourself. Have a great day. Namaste.